Hey guys, Master Investor here, Miami 2020. We are excited to be releasing the new platform, Master Investors Academy. It's gonna teach you how to make money while you're asleep. It's gonna teach you how to hold digital assets online. All you need is a laptop, internet. If you don't have a laptop, then all you need is your cell phone and internet. We're gonna teach you how to literally have money coming into your bank account while you sleep. We can't wait to show you. Stay tuned for the next videos and take care. Master Investor. And don't forget to go to Official Master Records to check out our new music for Master Records label. Take care.